Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, The World of Awareness. And today I will introduce you another book called Born to Win, written by Muriel James and Dorothy Jungwirth. Actually, this book is based on two areas of psychology. The first one is transaction analysis, which is developed by Dr. Eric Berne, and other one is Gestalt therapy, which is developed by Frederick Perls. Actually, the authors combines them into a set of ideas that aims to create a whole person, a winner. Now let us look at who the authors are. Muriel James is a psychologist with a doctorate degree from University of California. She is also a licensed marriage and family counselor, a trainer in transaction analysis, and a past president of Transaction Analysis Association. She had written many books, and out of this, some bestsellers like The Psychology of Self-Parenting, The Hearts on Fire, The Romance and Achievements in the Lives of a Great Woman, and The OK Boss. And the second author, Dorothy Jungwirth, she's a teacher, counselor, and a management counselor specializing in organizational behavior. She also worked at the University of California, and she's a licensed marriage and family counselor. She also written some books like Everybody Wins, Transaction Analysis Applied to Organizations, and with Muriel James, Winning Ways in Healthcare, and Winning with People, Group Exercise in Transaction Analysis Extra. Now let us look at what this book really tells us. This book gives us three different ideas. First one is becoming an adult, and the second one is you can write your own script, and third one is becoming a winner. Now let us look at what is the first one, becoming an adult. Transaction analysis is based on the idea that everyone has got three ego states: the parent, the adult, and the child. In the parent states, you feel either a critical parent or a nurturing parent, and the child states you are either impulsive, excited, or act helplessness. And in the adult states, actually you are responsible, you are fully aware, and you are rational. Now let us look at what is actually the role of an adult. The adults always make decisions, and the adult voice is always recognize reality and make decisions. So in this book, James and Jungwirth described adult as the executive of personality. Some people you must have seen, some people are really afraid of taking decisions. Some people really delay their decisions because either their parent states will pull them back by mentioning the risk part of the game, risk, or the child always wanted to be secure. But actually the real winners, they always grasp them and grow, and the losers will shy away from the opportunities and they will shrink. This is as per the transaction analysis. And second part of this book is actually Gestalt therapy, and Gestalt is actually a German word that means an organized whole. Here in Gestalt therapy, what actually the author is telling, so in Gestalt therapy, it's always about integrating the personality and developing the self-awareness, so the people are able to see their unconscious pattern and behavior. So the thing is that the winner or the healthy person will always be ready to express more aspects of themselves at appropriate time. The second part of this book is about freedom to write your own scripts. When you look at this book, you can see that together transaction analysis and Gestalt therapy will definitely help persons to live fully aware of their present, and they will be responsible for their whole life. And in this book really tells that by learning both TA, transaction analysis, and Gestalt therapy, you will be able to be more aware of yourself. You will be able to become more aware about others. You will be able to become more aware about how you interact with people, how the other people interact with you, etc. The author also mentioned about the life scripts in this book. What is actually the life scripts? The life scripts means the life plan that you consciously or unconsciously have for how you are going to live your life. We can also learn that the life scripts are developed from your birth to 6 years of age. From your childhood experience are really contributing to write your own scripts. And while you are writing your script, there are a lot of other parameters can contribute to your script, like in your childhood there are a lot of injections you must be getting from your parents, like don't do this, don't grow up, don't be smart, like that. This kind of permissions, this kind of injunctions and the kind of permissions that you get from your early childhood can have a big impact on the kind of script that you will write. So the thing is that it is very difficult for you to delete the script which is written already, but at the same time you can always have the freedom to write your own script, or you can always have the freedom to rewrite those scripts. By changing your script, by rewriting your script, you can be a winner, you can achieve whatever you wanted to achieve in your life. So ultimately you can be a successful person. That is actually we are getting from this freedom to write your own script. And the third part is becoming a winner. In this part, James and Jongbard describes a winner as being credible, trustworthy, responsible and genuine, both as an individual or as a member of the society. The winners are always not tied up themselves, but at the same time their energy can be focused or contributed to the larger cause. Winners does not afraid of intimacy. They always like win-win situation. They don't always wanted to win all the game. At the same time, they always wanted to have a win-win situations. So in this book, while reading this book, we will understand we are literally born to win. We have everything within us that we really need to succeed. Even if we are come out of womb helpless, some of us will proceed to full independence and are not afraid of playing a full part of the community. At the same time, if you take the losers, they never really take the responsibility of their own life. Such individuals are either live in past or they will live in future. They will never be able to live in present, or they are very difficult to live in now. And moreover, the losers are learn to cope up with a difficult childhood experience by manipulating or doing damage to others and denying the truth to themselves. They always try to control people and or trying to play victim to others. Losers are repeaters, and they are repeating not only their own failures or mistakes, but often those of their family members and their cultures as well. And if you wanted to talk more about this book, what is the specialty of this book is that even after the release of this book, 40 years after the release of this book has sold more than 4 million copies. So that is really showing the acceptance of the branch of psychology, transaction analysis in nowadays. So if you really wanted to learn more about TA, especially if you wanted to learn about life scripts, becoming a winner and the ego states, you can read the book Born to Win. Or if you wanted to go much deeper about the topic transaction analysis, I recommend you to read other books like TA Today, The Games People Play, Script People Live By, etc. So I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next week with another topic. See you. Bye.